Welcome to our Skeena Maps Portal how-to video series. The Skeena Maps Portal is an online mapping portal developed by the Skeena Knowledge Trust to provide a collaborative mapping environment for organizations operating within the Skeena watershed. The portal is intended to complement the data stored within the Skeena Salmon Data Center by providing expanded functionality to explore spatial data, build and print maps, perform basic exploratory analyses, and share maps with collaborators. In this video, we will be demonstrating how to use the Map View function of the Skeena Maps portal to modify and create maps. The first step is to navigate over to the Skeena Maps portal, which you can do by either typing maps.skeenasalmon.info into the navigation bar of your web browser, or by using a search engine to search for Skeena Maps Portal, as we are doing here. This brings us to the Skeena Maps portal homepage, where you can find the main search bar and drop-down menus. To temporarily create a map by combining available layers, which you can then query or print a PDF map, open the map viewer by either clicking on the View Map button from any map or View Layer button from any layer. To save and share your map, you will need to create an account and be logged in. If you are saving a map, you should start by clicking on the Maps tab and selecting Create Map, as we are doing here. For this demonstration, I will be making a map showing forestry cut blocks and roads near Babine Lake. Click on the Add Layer icon to open the catalog and add the roads layer. The catalog provides a listing of all the layers in the Maps portal with a thumbnail and abbreviated description. To add the forestry cut block layer, start typing cut block into the search bar and pressing enter. Select the Harvested Areas of BC layer and click on the plus sign to add the layer to the map. You might need to wait a few seconds for the layer to load, which is indicated by the spinning circle on the bottom right-hand side. If the layer is not visible once loaded, it may be scale restricted and you'll have to zoom in on the map to show the layer. If you type in road, 27 results are returned, which can be a bit onerous to look through. However, if you know the name of the layer you are looking for, you can find it more quickly by typing in more specific keywords. It helps to identify the layers you are interested in by browsing the layers under the Layers tab first, as you can use the filtering tools and open the layers to see the descriptions. Please see our Searching for Layers in Maps video for further details on finding datasets in the Skeena Maps portal. For this demonstration, I will type in Forest Tenure and click on the plus sign to add the Forest Tenure Road section lines layer to my map. I will also type in Digital Road Atlas to show the Digital Road Atlas roads layer and click on the plus sign to add the layer. Click on the X to close the catalog and zoom into your area of interest, which in this case will be Babine Lake. To reorder the layers, simply drag and drop the layer entry in the Layers menu. You can print your map to PDF by clicking on the print option under the menu on the top right-hand side. Enter a title and short description, select A4 paper size, and select Include Legend. To avoid text wrapping on the title, keep the title short and add additional details in the description. Click Print to initiate the PDF creation. You can either return to the print menu by clicking on the back button or download the file by clicking on the download button. If you would like to save your map on the Maps portal for future use or sharing the map online, select Save As under the top right-hand side Options menu. Enter a title and description. You have the option to add a thumbnail image, for which we would recommend using a screenshot of the map. However, you can edit the map details later on if necessary. Click Save As to create the map. Now you should be able to see your map under the Maps tab. You can also find it under your profile under Recent Activity. To edit your map, click on the Editing Tools button, which brings up the Editing Tools menu from which you can set the thumbnail and edit the map metadata. From the map page, you can also set the viewing and editing permissions by clicking on the Manage Permissions of this map button. The permission settings may be modified to include particular Skeena Maps portal account holders or groups. Please contact us at info@skeenatrust.ca for more information on setting up a collaborative group. This brings us to the end of this demonstration. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to check out our help pages and other videos for a more in-depth look into how you can leverage the Skeena Maps Portal for your research and management needs. If you want to find out more about the Skeena Knowledge Trust, please visit our website at skeenatrust.ca. For specific questions or suggestions, please send us an email at info@skeenatrust.ca.